Calorie is probably the most used term in nutrition science, but very few understand what it actually means. Calorie is actually a physics term, and 1 calorie is defined as the energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. But what does energy have to do with food? Well, when the body absorbs and uses food, energy is released. It's a pretty complicated process, but simply put, you could compare it with burning. When something burns, it combines with oxygen, and this process emits energy released as heat. It's called oxidation. The same thing happens to food in our bodies under normal circumstances, but only some of the energy is emitted as heat. Most of it is stored inside the cells as molecules called ATP. Cells then use this energy when it needs it. Food consists of so-called macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Each of those are different and have different properties. Thus, 1 gram of fat can store 9 kilocalories of energy, 1 gram of protein, 4 kilocalories, and 1 gram of carbohydrates, 4 kilocalories. But that's not the whole story. Body doesn't absorb and use those macronutrients all in the same way. For example, protein is mostly used for structural repairs in tissue, and some of the carbohydrates are stored inside liver and muscle tissue. On top of that, our body uses energy to absorb and use those nutrients. The energy used for this purpose is called thermic effect of food. For example, utilizing protein from the food takes up to 1/3 of the energy that you'd get from it. Meaning that if you'd eat 100 kilocalories worth of protein, it would use 30 kilocalories to utilize this amount of protein in the body. Why is all this important to know? Because not all calories are created equal. It is important to understand the difference between getting 100 kilocalories from carbohydrates, fats, or proteins.